Hello, the Grace team. How are you guys doing today? As for me, I am doing wonderful, and I hope you guys are doing wonderful as well. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Coucou les amis, bienvenue sur ma chaîne Kelly Grace TV. Merci d'avoir cliqué sur cette vidéo, et si vous aimez ce que vous voyez sur cette chaîne, n'oubliez pas de l'aimer, partager et surtout abonnez-vous pour de nouvelles vidéos chaque semaine. Ok? Merci. Without further ado, guys, let me quickly show you all the ingredients that I have for this hot chili sauce that I use to enjoy my food, as my kids dislike hot food. Okay, so right here I have 3 medium onion, I have 2 cloves of garlic, and a plate of Jamaican pepper. Okay, so if you don't like the garlic, it's fine, you can go ahead and disregard the garlic. So for my own, I'm using those two, just 2 garlic, and I have this plate of the plate of Jamaican pepper is really hot, and I know you all know that this Jamaican pepper is not for kids. You can play with it, so I'm just gonna use half of it because I don't like them to last too long in my fridge, and I don't like to put them in the freezer also. So I will use half of it, and I can use it for like 2 to 3 weeks, the maximum 3 weeks, and I'll do another one. So the next ingredient will be my salt. The next one will be my chicken bouillon, and I have my canola oil. So let's go. First of all, I will chop the onion in a big chunk. And I'll put them in my blender. And this is the 2 cloves of garlic. And my next step will be open the plate of the hot pepper, and I just scoop half of it, and of course you don't want to ground your pepper with this stuff on it, so I remove them all. This is the reason why I put my glove on, you guys know, because this pepper can make you dance shakara, shaku, or everything after dombolo. It will make you dance dombolo after you finish this, and you forgot to put your hand on your mouth, by your mouth, your eyes, or whatever. Whew, you're gonna feel the heat like never before. Okay, I'll quickly rinse these guys, and I'll toss them in the blender also. Okay, now I'm adding the Jamaican pepper to it. I'll be adding the salt. I like to add everything in the blender. 2 tablespoons of canola cube, and I'll add my oil. I like to blend my spice with the oil to avoid the spice being on fire for too long. Okay, and I will add a little bit of water just to fasten the process of blending. Okay. So this is how it looks like, and I'll put the iron on. Well, so guys, this is how it look like. I have it on medium low heat, and I will add a little bit more of oil to it and cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes just for the water in it to get dry up. As you can see, it's bubbling. That's the water. The water is in there. So I'll just stir it and let it simmer for more time, and I will tell you the total amount of time that it was on the fire for before all the water dried up. Is splashing. That's why you have to cover it to avoid all the splash on your, maybe on your face or your whatever. So you need to keep on stirring it time to time to avoid any burn. So I think I still have like maybe 3 to 5 minutes. This is after 2 minutes. So pretty much I think all the water has been evaporated. So let me taste it. This needs more salt. You can add this onto it. Yeah, so guys, I need to add a little bit more of salt because spice guys, without salt is a sin, guys. Having spicy food without salt. And I'm adding a little bit more of my chicken wings. So now I think it's pretty much done. I will leave it for 2 more minutes and that will be all. So guys, this is it. It's done. My everything pepper is done. So as you can see, it stopped bubbling now. That means all the water have been evaporated. There is no more water. So it's pretty much done, guys. And my nose is running now. Just for the smell, guys, I'm telling you, this pepper is a saver in my home for me and my hubby and my teenage daughter. This pepper is a saver just to help my little ones so they can eat and enjoy the food. This is what I do. So if you are in the same shoe with me, you can do this and put it aside in your fridge. You don't have to be worried, oh, my sauce is not gonna have any pepper in it, I cannot enjoy with that pepper. No guys, you just take this out from your fridge, scoop some, and there you go, voila, you'll be happy you do. So right now I just turn off my heat and I will let it cool down. Just let it cool down and toss it in any kind of sauce container, and voila, you will be happy you do. So when it's time to transfer it to my bowl, I will show you guys. See how the color change. When I grounded this, it looks so pale. So this is the transition, guys. As you can see, I have not add anything like red pepper or tomato, nothing. So after it boils well and it's well cooked with all the water out of it, this is what you got. Okay.
Mano, we did it.